So let's look at a third example here. Here I have y equals negative, in parentheses x minus 2, all raised to the second power. Now, the first thing I say, ooh, look at those parentheses around that x. That tells me I'm in vertex form. So again, quadratics, the first thing we want is a vertex form. So let's go ahead and find that. The vertex form, when we have a vertex form, the h and the k make up the vertex. So I need to take the h and the k and turn that into a vertex. So I'm going to look here. The first thing I'm going to look for is the h. So the h is right here. Now remember, it's already negative, so that means that the h is actually a positive 2. So my vertex is going to be 2, and then I need the k value. Well, the k value is the constant, and as you can see, there's not 1. Well, what number do we use for not 1? Exactly, 0. So I can say that my vertex is 0, 2. So now that we know our vertex, let's go figure out what our changes are. What's transformed? What's different than the base model? I'm going to switch over to red here like I have been. All right, so the first thing I notice, looky there, that negative, that means reflect. I'm going to look for that coefficient out front. And there's not one, so that means it's actually a 1, right? So that means there's no vertical change. It's not greater than or less than. There's no vertical change. I do have parentheses, which means I do have a slide, and the slide is right here. Now remember, the subtraction tells me I have a slide, so I have a slide positive 2. So slide positive 2 would mean I have a slide to the right by 2. And the last one we need to talk about is our shift. And I look here, and well, there's no number there, so that means we do not have a shift. So no shift up or down. So yes, it reflects. No, there's not a vertical change. It is a slide, and it slides to the right, that positive, and there's no shift up or down because there's no k value or c value at the end.